Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we have seen some of the mathematical methods in JavaScript. This is the continuation of our previous video. We have completed up to math.max. Today we are going to start with the next one, which is the square root. For this, I'll simply remove this. Instead of this, I'll write sqrt, which means the square root. Inside this, I'll write 64. Let us check this. You can see here we got 8 because the square root of 8 is 64. 8 into 8 is 64. The math.square method returns the square root of a number. Suppose if I write 25, we'll get 5 because the square root of 5 is 25. Then the next one we have is the cube root. Instead of the square root, we'll write cube root, cbrt. This function is used to find out the cube root of a number. Suppose if I write 125, the cube root of 125 is 5. If I write 275, we'll get 6.5. Like this, we have the next one is the power of. Let us understand this. Before this, we'll see some more examples. Instead of this 275, if I write 27, we got the result as 3. You people know that the cube root of 3 is 27. The cube root of 4 is 64. I guess you have studied this in your school. Suppose if I write 1000, we'll get the answer as 10. The cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay, we'll move on to the next one, which is the power of. This power of method is used, or it returns the value of the base raised to the power. I'll simply write math.power. Inside this, we'll write 4, 3. You can see here we got 64. I'll explain you how to calculate this. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 multiplied 3 times will get 64. That is how this power works. It returns the value of the base raised to the power. Suppose if I write 2, 3, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. This is how this math.power works. Then the last one we have is the random number. For this, we have to write math.random. You can see here we got 0.4. This math.random method returns a random floating points between 0 and 1. If I refresh, we'll get one more number. If I refresh again, we got 0.4, 0.61. Suppose if I want a random number from 1 to 10, then simply we have to write math.random. Here I'll write 10. I'll close this plus 1. Here we have to write this inside round brackets, or you can say round braces. You can see here we got 5. If I refresh, 10. 7, again 5, 3. Here I'll write math dot floor. Just wait. We have to write this M into capital letter. You can see here we got 5. Again I'll refresh. 1. In case I want number between 1 to 100, I can simply write 100 here instead of 1. This is how this random method works. It returns the floating point number between 0 and 1. If we specify here from which number to which number we want, we can get using this calculations. If I write 1000, you can simply see here we got 405. If I refresh, again we got 222, again 297. This is how this works. We have seen in today's video about the square root, cube root, power of and random method. In our next video, we are going to start with the DOM, which means document object model, and it's a programming interface, allows us to create, change elements from document. We'll see that in our next video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.